Our customer, already familiar with the advantages of induction heating, needed to level up their process. Steel arm components of different shapes and thicknesses had to be preheated to a steady 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius, in under 2-minute cycle. UltraFlex delivered a production-ready induction solution tailored to the customer's parts and takt time requirements. A solo system was engaged to do the work. Induction power supply and heat stations paired with a precision 9-turn helical coil. Power ramped smoothly to 12 kilowatts, and within seconds the thermocouple's readout began its climb. Even with 4 different part variants on the bench, the Solo maintained only ± 4 degrees Fahrenheit temperature uniformity tolerances. That's tighter than the required limits of the specifications. No flame, no scale, no discoloration. Just pristine, ready to assemble steel emerging in an average of 75 seconds. The dramatic cycle time reduction frees operators to move parts downstream faster, shaving hours off total line throughput by the day's end. After proving process feasibility, a well-designed semi-automated preset line was constructed and tested for final check. Repeatability was proven high. Temperature curves overlapped for all runs. The system was intentionally configured at 12 kilowatts to meet current takt time requirements. If future cycle times tighten, a capacitor adjustment would allow utilization of the generator's full 16 kilowatt capacity. UltraFlex Induction Solo Solution proved that this process upgrade transformed a good process into a great one. Cleaner, safer, energy efficient, and demonstrably more productive. For more details, contact our expert team and refer to AR3463-8220. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our next high-performance case studies.